everybody, Max Scoville here. As you might expect, a whole bunch of new stuff is coming to streaming in January, and normally we'd produce a whole scripted video briefly summarizing all the shows and movies, and I would crack some jokes about them, but we are unfortunately coming in a little bit hot because of the holidays, so in lieu of my usual rapid-fire remarks, here is a montage of brand new stuff set to some tasteful stock music. I will shut the hell up and let you enjoy it.
There's no such thing as an unbeatable vault.
If I have any chance of taking what is rightfully mine, we must make money. Doing what? What we're good at.
Did he touch you?
Of course not. I'd be dead.
The Empire's growing stronger. We should be doing more.
So we're talking like an honest-to-God treasure map.
Yeah.
Here in the suburb of Dapto, I've made it my life's mission to clean up our streets.
There are some who will lie to you. Evil comes in many forms.
It's like the end of the world.
I'm not who I used to be.
We've decided to start a competition to inspire the next generation of climbers.
If you don't think there's hope for the world, why bother going on?
You haven't seen the world, so you don't know.
Immortus is real, and it's coming.
Whoever or whatever is out there right now, it's not Allison.
He's gonna play himself?
Guilty as charged, Your Honor.
Wow, that's weird.
Action!
Wow, wasn't that lovely? I think it was much more relaxing than me talking the whole time. Again, apologies for less info and sass than usual. I'll be back to normal next month. Thank you for bearing with us. If you have any recommendations of what people should watch, fire them off in the comments below. And if you like hearing about things coming out in January, go check out our roundup of the biggest games that are out this month. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.